Me and Angel would like to say thank you to the Winter Hyena for buying her, mainly her, I mean, everybody's going to use it, the box that we got over here. This will be our first box that we've been given, so let's see what we have, shall we? Okay, so we've opened the box so far. We've gotten these pieces. We got Rolly over here to help. We got the instructions over here. Went and got some batteries. Unplug first. Well, it shouldn't be plugged in. With the battery compartment from the fountain, wipe it clean with a dry cloth instead of rinse and water. Battery compartment is strictly prohibited from being washed with water. Clean other parts with water. Okay, so we're gonna get this, see if we can get this all situated. After a lot of hiccups, I think we finally got it sorted. Let's see. I don't know if it's supposed to do that or something else. Because I haven't ever had one of these things. So, hopefully I did it right. Thank you again, once again, the Winter Hyena. This should make everybody enjoy the water. Angel investigating it. I don't think she's too fond of it yet. Will she go for another one? So it just keeps going. I don't know if that's good or bad.